Welcome to Global Give. Global Give revolves around providing a unified community driven cryptocurrency platform for those of you who are interested on charities of all backgrounds and magnitude to flourish. This is backed by a token that provides increased investor protection via several mechanisms that rewards investors for holding GGIF through static reflection. Your global give balance will automatically be added to your trust wallet. So head back to your wallet to see your tokens. You may need to activate global gift token by selecting the toggle icon in the top right corner and entering the contract address into search tokens. Reflection aims to reward holders of the token dependent upon the volume held. Consequently, this will reduce selling pressure and encourage organic growth, especially in the early phase of adoption. So, to acquire the global gift coin, you need to provide increased investment to have the life changing charity system and supporting your important work. The announcement of the charity donation and organizations are on the websites. Holders will be able to earn passive income with every transaction by increasing the quantity of their tokens with 2% of transactions redistributed to them. While the global gift team has the perfect solution, they have formulated a progressive taxing system that aims to discourage large terms. They at Global Give are committed to protecting their investors and ensuring a steady rise to the moon. A progressive tax will be there for apply to each transactions and will increase dependence upon the number of tokens sold as a percentage of total circulating supply. Its wealth tax will be in addition to the nominal 10% tax for all transactions. And this may seem a bit complex to you, but once you get enrolled, you will get the idea very easily. Just take your smartphone and enroll in the global gift. For example, an additional 10% tax will be automatically generated for a well trying to dump up to 1% of the total circulating supply, whereas a 1% additional tax will apply to another while trying to dump 0.1% of the total circulating supply. This tax will also apply if these whales try to dump the tokens in fragmented transactions. This mechanism protects all holders and does not affect most trail investors. The automatic LP also acts as a burn feature for their tokens. Consider it as yours to have a better future and therefore creating a deflationary dynamic to the token. This means that the total supply reduces with each transaction, hence raising the price floor for you. So, welcome to the age of digitization and be a part of it so that you can thank me later.